Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So today we'll be talking about basic iPhone setting you should change each and every time you reset your iPhone or restore your iPhone or you buy the iPhone brand new. So these are the settings I always change after buying a new iPhone or after resetting or restoring my iPhone, and I will also recommend you to do so because this will help you so much and I'm assuring you this thing. So let's go and check all of the settings you should change on iPhone on iOS 14. Yes, it's running on the latest version iOS 14.0.1, which is not that great. Let's go with number one setting. Number one setting is auto brightness. You should definitely turn off auto brightness. In order to do that, you need to go to the setting, scroll down a little bit, go to the accessibility, display and text size, scroll down, and here you'll be able to see the auto brightness. Be sure to turn it off. Number two setting is auto correction on keyboard. I really don't like it. Anyway, go inside of general, scroll a little down. Here you can see keyboard. Just turn off auto correction because it's very important to do so. Sometimes I misspell so many words. Number three setting is auto updates, downloads and installation. You should turn this setting off because it's very important. Sometimes it keeps downloading files in the background that I really don't like, and that's the reason I think you should definitely turn this setting off. If you need to download an iOS update, you can definitely download by yourself, and I think that's the better one. The next or the fourth setting, that is turn on download and keep original photos, because sometimes maybe you're outdoor and you want to share some photos, but if you don't have all those photos on your phone and you don't have Wi-Fi or data connection, then you won't be able to access the original photo, and that's why I prefer to keep the original photos on my iPhone. And in order to change this one, you need to go to setting, click on your Apple ID, click on iCloud, go to photos, and here you can see one option that is called download and keep originals. Be sure to turn it on because it's very necessary. While you don't have data connection, you won't be able to access the original photos. Anyway, the fifth feature, that is iMessage. Be sure to turn on the iMessage because every time when you restore an iPhone or reset an iPhone or buy a new iPhone, by default the iMessage is disabled, but be sure to turn on the iMessage. In order to do that, you need to go to the setting, go to your Apple ID, scroll down a little bit, go to iCloud and just enable the message. Here you can see. The next setting is iCloud backup. Be sure to turn off the iCloud backup. If you don't have a premium plan like 50 GB or more than that, don't turn on the iCloud backup. It will back up your phone and very soon you will lose your free 5 GB of storage. That's why I tend to turn off the iCloud backup. In order to do that, you need to go to the setting, go to your Apple ID, click on iCloud, scroll down a little bit, and here you can see iCloud backup. Turn it off. The next setting is number 7, and it's about camera, and these settings are pretty important to do. Let's go to the camera settings, scroll down, way down, and here you can see the camera. In camera there are many settings you need to change. Number one setting is the format. Be sure to choose the most compatible format. I found that high efficiency doesn't work that well for me. My computer is not a new MacBook Pro, and that's why high efficiency doesn't work that well. That's why I keep most compatible turn on, because high efficiency doesn't go that well with my preference. Anyway, the next setting is record slow motion. Be sure to keep it on 1080p 120 fps, because while it's dark, if you shoot 240 frames per second, then the footage will be too grainy. If you are in dark condition, be sure to change it to 120 fps instead of 240 fps. You will get much better quality video. Next setting is scan QR code. Be sure to turn scan QR code on, because if you keep it off, then you can't scan any QR code with your iPhone default. If you don't know how to do it, I have a video on my channel. You can definitely go and check it out. The next setting is inside of slow motion. Here you can see video format control. Be sure to turn it on, because if you have turned it off, then you won't be able to change the video frame rate or video resolutions in your camera setting. Let's go to the number 8 setting, that is Safari download. Be sure to change it to on my phone if you don't have a premium plan. Again, if you don't have 50 GB or more than that, don't keep it to iCloud setting. In order to change this one, go to setting, scroll down, way down, and here you can see the Safari. Go inside of Safari. Here you can see the download, and go inside of Safari, scroll down a little, and here you can see downloads. Be sure to change it to on my phone. Don't keep it on iCloud Drive. The next and the final setting, that is turn on battery percentage. In order to do that, go to setting, scroll down a little bit, go to battery, and be sure to turn on battery percentage. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, and see you in my next video. Till then, not coming slow, COVID-19.